Are you looking to reduce wind swirl on your Kawasaki KRX 1000? Well, SuperATV's got you covered, and today we're going to show you how to get a rear windshield installed. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove all of our components out of the box, and we're going to get our windshield. We're going to have it here in front of us ready to go. We're going to take the windshield and we're going to lay it in place on the back of the machine. We've already done this, so after you've done it, making sure that it fits your machine, you're going to go ahead and remove the protective film from both sides. We've already removed ours from one of the sides here. So the side with the two cutouts is going to be the top, and this side down here with the two holes for screws on the bottom, and then the slits will be the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get both of our seals out of the kit. This is going to be the straight seal, and this will be the 90-degree seal. As you can see, the 90-degree seal will attach like that, and then the straight seal will attach like that. Now just install the bulb seal according to this graphic. So the next step is we're going to grab our side window and we're going to grab our straight seal. We're going to apply it along this edge all the way around. The only edge we're not going to make contact with is this one, the one closest to the two holes. So once you have it on there, it should look like this. We'll just trim the bulb seal to fit the corners. Next, we're going to grab our side window and our bracket. We're going to lay it on here just like this. We're going to go ahead and grab our M6 by 25 millimeter screws. We're going to take our sealing washers that are provided in the kit and make sure that the seal portion of the washer is facing down towards the threads. We'll grab two M6 nylocks. We'll go ahead and slide our hardware through our hole here and line it up with the bracket. We want to make sure that the hardware, the head of the Allen headed screw, is on the outside coming in. We'll just go ahead and start our nut, just like that. Do that for both of them. So this will be our passenger side bracket as well as side windshield. What we're going to do is we're going to take our hardware from the outside coming in like that and like that. We'll take our bracket, line it up, take our M6 nylocks, go ahead and get them started. And I don't like to completely tighten them just because there is some adjustment here until we get it on the machine. So just get them all hand started. You can easily access all the hardware once it's in the machine. We'll just leave it loose like that, and then we'll repeat the steps for the opposite side. The next thing we're going to do is remove this by removing the following 3 push pins. And then you're going to remove the 6 push pins out of these on each side, and you'll just have to go up underneath the inner fender to do that. You'll just rotate it up and pick it straight up. And then with these, you'll have to remove each of these clamps. There'll be one on either side. We've already loosened them and we've removed all of our push pins. So we'll just pick it up and remove it just like that. And this one is a little bit trickier. It's easier if you go down. If you look right over top your shot canister, you'll see that band clamp. You'll just want to go ahead and loosen it, and then you can remove your tube. So next we're going to go ahead and grab the rear windshield and slide it into place. So we're just going to slide it underneath the cage here, all the way to the opposite side. If you're installing your rear windshield with a SuperATV roof, you'll have to notch your bulb seal just right here around the clamps. All I do is just clip it on each side and then just peel the seal out. It's easy to do and it gives it a nice snug fit. So next we're going to grab our heavy duty Velcro straps. We're going to start with the side that says SuperATV on it. Come on the inside, feed it through like this. Wrap it around the cage. We're going to go ahead and tighten down our strap, and as you see, we tighten it down. It really pulls the side window here into the cage to make that perfect seal. And we're just going to kind of work our way around. We're going to start here, and then we're going to go here, And this one you just kind of run one side of the strap through, other side of the strap through, just like that. Come around on the back side. So we'll just do this right here. And you'll have a little excess strap, but it's no big deal. So we're gonna slide our strap over top the cage. We'll reach inside and grab it. And we'll slide our strap through the hole here. Give ourselves a little bit of slack, and then we'll slide our strap through our clamp. This is gonna make it so much easier. Once you get it started through, let's go ahead and grab it and kind of fold it over. And we'll slide the clamp through the notch in the windshield. You'll have to just kind of feed your strap in with it. Pull down on it as tight as you can get. Tighten the strap, then repeat all these same steps for the opposite side. Next, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall both of our air boxes for the driver's and passenger side. We've already tightened all of our straps. We've done this to ensure that our windshield's gonna fit properly, make sure everything's lined up, and it is. So now we're gonna go back through and just loosen these bottom two on each side. We're gonna lift up on the lower portion of the windshield here to get our bulb seal up on top of our center panel. And you'll just wanna slide it underneath there. It's not a difficult thing to do, but you just wanna be careful. It is plastic, and it is a very snug fit. Once we have all of our holes for our push pins lined back up, you can go ahead and reinstall all three of those. And then we're gonna take our brackets, the side with the big angle on it, it's gonna loop through the windshield like that. You just kind of have to pull your windshield into place. Now inside on the back panel of the machine, there's gonna be two screws that are gonna line up with your bracket. You'll just wanna go ahead and remove those. So once you have it slid into place, you're gonna go ahead and take your screw from the outside through your bracket like this. And just kind of pull your windshield into place. Start your nut. On this hole right here, you're gonna take the spacer that's provided and you're gonna slide it back in behind the bracket. Stick your screw through. You'll just wanna line it up with the hole and then start your screw in there. Go through, make sure your straps are tight, all your components are reinstalled, and all your hardware is tight. Once you've done that, that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on the Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. For more information on this rear windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.